What if with 10,000 Nairas you bought Beta Glass or TIP a year ago? Your money might be up 500,900%. Today, I'll show you stocks you can buy now with 10,000 Nairas, 100,000 Nairas that have serious upside. Plus, how to balance high risk versus safer plays. I'm anointing Obi from Obi Expeditions. We'll cover the best Nigerian stocks under 100,000 Nairas, recent market winners, and global tech comparisons. This will help you make smart picks. In past years, many small investors missed big gains. They didn't know which sectors to watch. Now, TradingView data shows impressive stocks. Beta Glass increased by 912%. Unicell went up by 778%. TIP gained 621%. These returns are enormous. Big cap names like Mountain still show plus 150% over the year. Access to small cap stocks is easier now. So even with 10,000 Nairas, 100,000 Nairas, there are chances to get good returns if you choose wisely. Here are stocks to consider locally. Mountain Nigeria is strong and stable, with good dividends and growth. GTCO is a solid bank with rising profits. Beta Glass, Unicell, and TIP carry high risk but may grow. If you had invested 50,000 Nairas into Beta Glass last year, your value could be over 500,000 Nairas now. But you'd also need nerves for the ups and downs. Now, let's look at global tech comparisons. Think about companies like Nvidia and Apple. You can invest in fractional shares to spread risk. High-growth small caps can skyrocket, but they can also drop hard. Blue-chip stocks are safer but yield slower returns. The best strategy is to mix both types. Invest maybe 70% in safer plays and 30% in high growth, or choose a split that feels comfortable. Which path do you want to take? Do you want to try catching the next Beta Glass with 900% gains or prefer safer growth with Mountain and global tech? Comment your choice below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Obi Expeditions is where smart Africans learn to invest.